Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Kim and today I'm showing you how I do this updo puff with crochet hair. This style is super simple and pretty quick to do. It looks really natural and it serves as a great protective style. So I'm starting off by just combing out my hair, making sure that it's detangled. I'm using this Main Choice gel. It doesn't have a super strong hold, but it smooths out my hair pretty good without it being all sticky. Next, I gather up my hair and put it into a ponytail. I'm not doing this super tight at all, and you'll see why later. Next, I'm braiding the ends of my hair pretty tightly and securing that with a scrunchie. The goal is to get it as flat as can be. The hair I'm using is this Outre spring twist hair. I use less than half of a pack of this hair, so this is perfect if you have extra hair laying around from previous styles. The texture of this hair is coily and it resembles natural hair. Using a crochet needle, I install the hair with one knot. I just fill in the spaces in and around the bun. There's really no wrong way to do this. After enough hair is installed, I separate the pieces to get that fluffy afro look. Next, using a super soft bristle brush, I brush around the ponytail. This allows those loose hairs that weren't in that tight ponytail to cover the knots. It's not 100%, but it's no longer super noticeable. I go in and trim the hair into a round puff. You can leave it long if you want. I just wanted something that looks like my actual hair. In the front, I'm adding a couple of thin strands for bangs. I don't know why, but I've really been loving this look lately. I'm adding some gel to them, and surprisingly, the gel defined the synthetic hair a little more. I was playing around with the bangs and added some beads, just another way that you can rock this style. I hope you guys liked this video. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to this channel. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.